Magandang araw sa inyo mga kaibigan. Itong ating almusalita sa araw na ito. Ang helyo natin ay Luke 18:35-43. Ito ang kwento ng lalaking bulag na pagdating ni Jesus, sumigaw ng sumigaw, "Panginoon, tulungan mo ako," hanggang sa pinalapit ng Panginoon at pinagaling. And let me share how the story starts and ends. The beginning, sabi ng Ebanghelyo, when Jesus drew near to Jericho, a blind man was sitting by the road begging. He was a beggar at the beginning. Listen to the end. At once the blind man was able to see, and he followed Jesus, giving praise to God, and all the people who were there also praised God. From being a beggar to being a missionary. And I think iyon po yung ating hamon. Yung hamon para sa iyo at para sa akin. Stop begging for acceptance and recognition and love and begging for this and begging for that. Minsan sa buhay natin, walang ibang gawa kundi nakahanap ng mga bagay na ay parang barya, ibibigay ng tao lang sa ating. Konting attention, konting recognition, konting appreciation, and we beg for those things na walang silbi, walang kwenta. We are meant to be missionaries, to proclaim ang ginawa ng Diyos sa buhay ko, and to give praise, and people, by seeing your life, will give praise to God. At yun ang meaning ng buhay natin. Hindi yun naghihintay ng limos ng attention, ng limos ng pagmamahal, o ng limos ng whatever sa buhay natin. Stop being a beggar. Start being a missionary. Kung nagustuhan mo ang video ito, please pass it on. Punuin natin ang good news ang social media at gawin natin viral araw-araw ang salita ng Diyos. And God bless.